Hi, welcome to Living with Cam. My name is Camilla and I'm coming back to you guys with another meal prep video. In this week's meal prep video, we'll be having egg muffins with spinach and tuna in them. For lunch, we'll be having teriyaki shrimp over cilantro and lime brown rice. And for dinner, we'll be having taco salads. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who you think might enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see how I make this week's meal prep, then just keep on watching. So we're going to jump right into the muffins. What I have already done is preheated my oven to 350 degrees. I'm going to take some cooking spray and spray inside of my pans because these will stick if you don't spray your pans and you don't want them to stick inside. What I have already done is I chopped up some onion and I cooked it in a pan, and then I put some frozen spinach in it and cooked it with that as well. And I added a little bit of my goya seasoning. So that's what this mixture is here. The first thing I want to do, I also have these tuna creations in a pouch. I like the flavored ones, but feel free to just use the regular tuna in a can. You don't have to use these. You can just use the regular tuna. And I'm going to add some to each muffin. So in this bowl, I'm going to add 5 whole eggs. Ooh, don't do that. Five whole eggs and a half a container of liquid egg white. We're going to add a little bit of salt, my pink salt. And some black pepper. We're going to put these into our muffins. And we're going to top these with some of our Fiesta blend reduced fat cheese. We're going to put these in our 350 degree oven for between 15 and 20 minutes. We're going to marinate our shrimp. All I have here is some teriyaki sauce. You can use any brand that you want because we're not using a lot of it. shrimp overboard. That should be enough for our shrimp just to give it some flavor. We're gonna let this sit for about 30, 45-ish minutes. There's really no acid in this, so we can let this sit for as long as we want to. So I'm just gonna put this to the side, and we're gonna start cooking our rice. Some Walmart brand brown rice. And a serving of this rice is 1/4 a cup. So I'm gonna do 1 cup and 1/4 cup for 5 days. But you know, feel free to do the measurement for however many days of rice you need. So that's my 1, and then my 1/4 a cup. And then for this brand, and I think most brands of rice, for every 1 cup of rice, you need 2 cups of water. But actually, I'm using chicken broth because I want my rice to have some flavor already in it. So I'm going to do 2.5 cups of chicken broth. Just a little bit. Okay. I'm just going to cut this up. Bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, I'm going to let it simmer. The instructions say for 45 minutes. And then we'll come back to it when it's done cooking. Okay, so we're gonna get started on seasoning and cooking our chicken for the taco salad. If you watch my quesadilla video, we're gonna season it the exact same way. I'll link that video above for you to check it out after this one. So I already have my skillet preheated. I just added some grapeseed oil to that, so that's coming to temperature, and I'm about to season the chicken. So I'm gonna start off with my goya seasoning on the chicken. And then I'm going to put it in the skillet and then season the other side. Okay, so I've just chopped up the chicken that we cooked on the grill. I'm just going to squeeze some lime juice on it while it's still warm. Half a lime should be enough. And then for our cilantro lime rice, it is still warm and I've just been fluffing it up. I chopped up some cilantro, so I'm going to sprinkle that in. And I'm going to use the juice of a whole lemon in that, and that will be done. The rice will be done. If you don't care for the taste of cilantro, feel free to leave it out and just do the lime. And we're just gonna fluff it up and mix it all through. Rice is all done and good to go. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and cook our shrimp. As you guys know, I love to cook my shrimp in the oven. So I have my oven preheated to 425 degrees. Our shrimp has been marinating for about 45-ish minutes, maybe close to an hour. We're just gonna put it in the pan. I drained off some of the sauce, but not all of it. I left a little bit of the teriyaki sauce on there, but I drained most of it off. And I'm just trying to make them all even and flat so they cook evenly in the pan. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so all I want to do is top them with a little bit of my goya or adobo seasoning. And put these in the oven for about 7-ish minutes. Okay, so now we're about to put together our taco salad. We have our cooked chicken, our lettuce. We have some more lettuce. I like to mix spring mix and romaine. If you watch my quesadilla video, this is my homemade healthy sour cream. I have some salsa, some cheese, and some black beans that I've rinsed. That's why they're in this strainer. So we're gonna go ahead and just put together our salad. Okay, you guys, so here we have our finished meal prep. We have our taco salad that we made together. We have our shrimp that we cooked. I put it on top of the rice. And then for the broccoli, I just steamed it with some water, some Mrs. Dash garlic and herbs, some salt and some pepper. About 10 minutes. We have our breakfast egg muffins. And this is the meal prep for the week. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video. Leave me a comment down below letting me know some of the meal preps that you want to see me make in the future. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. Bye and have a blessed week.